welcome back to my channel. You guys want to know how I got this beautiful vibrant orange and sparkly Halloween look? Then keep watching. First product I'm using is Wet n Wild liner. You guys know I use eyeliner for my eyebrows, so we're just gonna get these eyebrows together and yeah. Now I'm taking my Infallible Full Wear Corrector. I don't know what shade. I will be linking everything down below, but I'm cleaning my eyebrows with this, and it's gonna have your eyebrows looking sharp, clean, and just beautiful. Now you're going to take a clean brush and blend all of your corrector. When you're blending the bottom, you want to blend towards your eyelid, and when you're blending the top, you want to go in an upwards motion towards your hairline. As you can see, I'm putting corrector on my eyelids, and that gives me a nice start for the base color that I'm going to be using. So I put a nice cream colored base on my eyelids, and that just gets my eyes ready for the actual shadow that I'm going to be using. You guys, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and I am just putting a little bit of eyeliner on my eyelid. I usually go over the top with my eyeliner, but not today. I'm taking my Lash Blast Fusion Mascara, and I'm just getting them prepared for my false lashes. This is my favorite part of the makeup process because I like to get my eyeshadow all crisp and sharp. Now it's time for my lashes. I got these lashes from Amazon, and they're by Yawamica Beauty. I will be putting that down below in the description box below. I'm taking my same Infallible Full Wear Corrector, and I'm just correcting all my dark spots on my face. You guys, this is the Stay Matte foundation. It is super matte, you guys. It has a cream consistency. However, the one that I have is like a little bit too light for me. I'm using my MAC Studio Finish powder, and I'm just dabbing in the spots that I need to contour. You guys, I'm taking my loose face powder. This is a darker toned face powder, and I'm just getting my contour done with this. I'm taking my Airspun loose setting powder and I am placing that in the spots that need to be highlighted. Now I'm taking the same Morphe palette and I'm going to be placing a orangey-ish color on the bottom of my lash line. Now I'm taking some bold orange eyeliner and placing it on my lash line as well to give it a bold look. Last but not least, put some mascara on the bottom lashes and voila. That's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. I absolutely love this look, you guys. As far as the products, I cannot get enough of this Fenty Diamond Bomb, you guys. You guys have to get this. It's so shimmery and just beautiful, you guys. This orange, it's giving, I don't even know what to say. It's really giving. It's really bold and bright, and you have the darker tones up here in the sparkly orange that just gives Halloween. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys, because I'm coming with more looks and more content that I know you guys are going to like. So hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.